Are you addicted to watching videos the whole day? Are you looking for different ways to overcome this addiction? Well, why overcome it when you can use your addiction to earn money? Today, we'll talk about real ways you can earn money in relation to watching videos. If you like watching videos or binge watching TV series, and most of your day is spent in front of your mobile phone or laptop watching videos, you need to hear these methods. I will share ways to earn money by watching videos online. Stay with us to the end to find the best method for you. Write subtitles for themes. Particularly, if you're looking to build up your CV with theme-related experience, it's definitely worth thinking about writing subtitles for videos online on a freelance basis. Often, video content creators will look for freelancers who can write up subtitles for their themes, making them more accessible for people with hearing loss or uploading transcripts when posting YouTube videos. As subtitles and transcripts can be quite time-consuming to write, video makers may well look for freelancers to do this for them, which is where you come in. On sites like Fiverr, you can find freelancers offering to write video subtitles with fees. Have a look at what other freelancers are charging for an idea of prices, and be sure to post rates that you think are fair but competitive. Watch videos on Swagbucks. Swagbucks is also known as paid survey company, but it also offers payouts for watching videos. You will not earn as much as InboxDollars, but there are many more categories to choose from. Since you might be at work or trying to multitask, here's an incredible hack. Open up the videos on a new tab in your browser, turn the sound off, let them play in the background. You will begin to earn money by watching videos ads without even having to watch them. After you set up an account, you can also download the Swagbucks mobile app and watch videos on your phone. This is great because once you get them started, you can put your phone down and continue doing what you were doing. Vindale Research is a company that is well known for making money through filling surveys. But did you know that you can also make money by watching videos on there? They say that it pays to press play. On the surveys page, have a look for a tab that says Videos. This is where you can watch paid videos and get feedback. If you're looking forward to making a living from watching videos, becoming a film or TV reviewer is probably the best, most convenient way of doing so. There are two ways you can do this. The first one is through YouTube. You can start a YouTube channel without even needing to show your face, where you talk about movies. All you need to do is to write a script, because you can even hire or have other people do the videos, voiceover, and editing. But if you don't want to hire people, you can do it all by yourself and keep all the profit. And by the way, if you want to start a YouTube channel, make sure to visit our other channel where we specifically talk about how to grow on YouTube. The second way is more difficult in comparison to doing movie reviews on YouTube. However, it also pays well. While it's by no means easy to reach the point of writing about videos as a full-time job, with hard work, dedication, and a firm grasp of the written word, you can do it. Film and TV criticism are very competitive lines of work. So if you're thinking about writing on a freelance basis, you need to start by charging lower rates to reflect your level of experience. But remember, you deserve to be paid for your work, so don't accept payments lower than you think are fair just because you're starting. To prepare for a full-time job as a film or TV critic, it's worth looking into internships to boost your CV. Unfortunately, not all journalism internships pay well, or at all in some cases, but check out PressPad for help with accommodation during internship placements. If you do find yourself on an unpaid internship, our guide to supporting yourself financially during the placement can help. Once you start to build up your portfolio of reviews and make a name for yourself, you can gradually increase your rates and take on more significant commissions. Watch movie previews on InboxDollars. If you have seen our other video on taking surveys online to make money, you probably know InboxDollars. It's one of those surveys taking websites where you can actually make money. But did you know that you can also get paid to watch movie previews, celebrity videos, news, and a plethora of other videos? Sounds pretty good, right? Well, it gets better. When you sign up, you will earn a $5 sign-up bonus. To get started, you select a playlist of videos to watch. These playlists range anywhere from a few minutes up to half an hour, and you need to watch the entire playlist to get paid. InboxDollars will let you know how long a playlist will take ahead of time. This is great, so you are fully aware before you get started.